Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and yes, we're unboxing the biggest and the baddest of them all today, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, not only is it the Ultra, it's the biggest and the baddest of the Ultra lineup, the 512GB with 16GB of RAM. I said it, 16GB of RAM. Bonkers, right? But anyway, I'm going to unbox it today. I'm going to set it up in a future video, etc, etc. If you were around in my Galaxy S2 and Galaxy S3 days, this is going to finally get the full treatment. You ready for it? Okay, let's do this. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Here is the box. It's a little thinner than normal. I wonder why that is. This is why. So on the back of it, as you can see here, it says mains adapter sold separately. Cheeky bloody buggers. Charging this amount like Apple and they're not giving us a bloody charger. Shocking. Anyway, let's open up, shall we? Got my nice little unboxing knife here. Let's just cut in. And cut in. Just been delivered about 10 minutes ago. And it's my first interaction with a Samsung device since the S10 Plus. So we're going to see what they're all about. Ready for this? Dun 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 dun. Voila! Oh, look at that. Waiting for me. Oh, look, you can see me now. Hello. Got my big beard back at the moment. Yeah. Anyway, let's just pull that off and put it to one side. Stick it there for us. 2 seconds. What do we also get? We must get loads of accessories. Oh, yeah, we don't, do we? I know, it's a massive shame that they decided to do this. I get it. I understand it. But at the same point, I'm coming from a Galaxy S10 Plus. If I didn't have other chargers, they're going to give me this bloody charger, which is inside this box. If I can get inside the blooming thing. How do I get inside it? Oh, there we go. So they're going to give me one of these. So it's USB Type-C to Type-C. Now, again, I'm a Galaxy S10 Plus user. It came with a USB-A to Type-C. How am I supposed to use this cable, which, you know, I want to use with my new phone, with my old charger? I can't. I've actually got to go out and buy a new one. Now, if they did this next year on a 2-year upgrade cycle, I could kind of get it. People would have had them from the S20, S22, but you're going from a 2-year period, which most people will upgrade around 2 years, give or take, depending on their contract. This cable is now kind of useless to them. They've got to buy a new charger to use this cable. So either their old cables are going to have to be used, which after 2 years is going to be a bit grubby, or they have to buy a new charger. So I don't like that move, personally. Again, I get it, I understand. They should have done it next year. But hey, it is as it is, I suppose. And you also get your usual books and all that kind of mumfo-bumfo, and on the back of it, the little SIM ejector there. So now it's 2 seconds, just take this all to the side and we'll be right back. Alright, so let's bring in the star of the show, shall we? Oh, look at that. Now, something a bit different from the 900 and 1,000 million other unboxings you've seen is mine's this colour. Yes, I actually opted for the silver. 2 reasons. Number 1, the black wasn't in stock in this model. Yeah. And number 2 is it's different. Everyone's got the black one, and I do kind of like this silver one. I mean, you look at the different kind of shimmer you get on it, and it's going to be in the case anyway, so I'm like, yeah, I don't want to wait 2 weeks for the black one. Let me have this one right now. So boom, slap my money down, and here it is. So as you can see here, it's got a nice little protective layer on the back. Let's just take that off. Look at those different colours it bounces around with, huh? Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? We also get a little protector for the camera as well. See that there? Ba-boom. Look at them bad boys, eh? Massive. I do like it though. I love this new design language from Samsung here. The phone itself feels really nice in the hand, I must say. And then on the front of it, we've got a little protector here. Pull off. But guess what? There is also, which you could probably see on my unit here, a bit of dust particles. There is also a screen protector under the screen protector. So that should give you a proper screen protector on the phone this year, instead of just giving you like something, you know, let's say like this, and take it off and then no protector. Boom, it's got a screen protector underneath this plastic sheet, which I think is pretty damn fantastic, I must admit. So let's take you around the device, shall we? We'll start on the bottom of the device. So you can see there, you've got your SIM ejection, your little microphone, the USB Type-C, and your what's it called? Your speaker grill. Looks like there's plastic all in here as well. I'll be taking that off in a moment or two, don't you worry. Going down the right side, it's got the power button and the volume up and down. It's very nice. On the top of it, looks like it's 2 microphones. I don't think I've seen 2 microphones on top before. It's pretty cool. And down the left side, just those antenna lines, and then absolutely nothing else. Anyway, let's get that plastic off it, because that's going to do my nutting. And I know my viewers, you're going to be like, Sam, you didn't take the plastic off your phone. Alright, Karen, calm down. Come on. I feel like I'm going to do a flossy Carter. I'm going to rage on it in a second. I'll speed this part up, shall I? And there we go, there it's all fully off now. All shiny, shiny. Until you touch it and go, oh, bollocks. Yeah. Anyway, on the back of the device, this is where the magic is this year. We've got 4 cameras. I believe the top one, I think that's the ultra wide, which is a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Underneath it, we've got the 108 megapixel. Yes, the 108 megapixel wide camera, which is just your normal camera. You then got your 10 times optical zoom. Yes, I said it, 10 times optical. And then you've got your 3 times optical there, which is just bonkers. I think here is obviously your flash, and then this part here is the laser autofocus, if I'm not mistaken. Those look nice, doesn't it, eh? Must admit, I do like this colour more than I was actually expecting. I kind of got it just because I wanted the phone, but now I've got it. Shows a couple of fingerprints, but again, it's going to probably be in a case most of the time. But I do like it. I actually do like the colour of this silver as well. It's not like your bog standard kind of, let's say, a matte silver. It's got more like a bluish kind of tint to it. I don't know if you can kind of see that. I like that a hell of a lot. Huh? So we turn it on and we shall have a quick look at it. Yeah? Alright. Stay tuned. I'll turn it on and I'll take you around the OS. Alright, so welcome back. I've kind of changed the lighting a little bit so it does look a little different. Hopefully it looks a little easier to see now. Anyway, I digress. I'm going to show you some of the operating system. I'm not going to go in depth, so if you're thinking you're going to get a full 25-minute video just to looking at some of the operating system, not right now. We'll do that in a future video if you want that. Anyway, let's get into the device. As you can see here, let's just go into the fingerprint scanner. Oh, boom, straight in there. And look at that. Yes, you have Google as your sidebar straight out the box. Now, you can change it and put Samsung Free on there, but personally, if it's me, I'm leaving it like this. Why would you want to not have this? It just makes sense. On the main screen, you can pull it down to actually get to your notifications, which is pretty cool. And obviously then you've got your brightness toggle there. So it goes all the way down so you can't see it, but you can see me. Hello. Or you can toggle it back up. If I can bloody see it, I can't see it now, can I? Boom, back up to the top. So that is 100% brightness. That is bloody bright, isn't it? Huh? What I've noticed is this fingerprints, the fingerprints are pretty crap on the front of this screen protector, so I'll probably be taking that one off and getting a proper glass one. It seems it's plastic, so it's always going to smudge up more. Going quickly to the settings, you can basically just tap this here, take straight to your settings, and as you notice, everything is kind of like below here. So if you scroll down, obviously get to here, you've got your connections, you've got your sound and vibration, notifications, display, wallpaper themes, home screen, lock screen, yada 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 yada. Biometrics, so you can add a face unlock. It's not very secure, but hey, if you want it, you can have it. Privacy, location, Google, accounts, advanced features, digital well-being, battery, apps, general management, accessibility, software, tips, and about phone. Bloody hell, there's quite a lot of stuff there, isn't there? But what I have noticed straight away is out of the box, for some reason, Samsung still decide to go with the buttons. They've not switched it across to the gestures. And seeing this little bar here, if you're a recent iPhone user, you're thinking that's to go home. No, that's to get Samsung Pay. Yeah, that was a bloody confused. That's a bit confusing straight out of the box for me. I was like, oh, go home. Like, oh no, Samsung Pay. I'll probably taking that off, and I'll probably turn on the gestures as well, because I think it just makes sense. But hey, that's just the way I prefer to use my phone. Swiping up, takes you straight to your apps, and you can swipe left to right like that. As you can see, it comes pretty bare. There's not a lot of stuff on there. The only kind of bloatware it comes on with for my device is going to be Spotify and Facebook. Everything else seems to be on, obviously, Netflix as well. Everything else seems to be Samsung orientated. Now, EE, that's from my contract provider, so I kind of expect that. But yeah, all the Samsung stuff there for you. But yeah, not a lot of bloatware. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that one. That's pretty cool. One confusing thing is they didn't put YouTube Music within Google, but yet they put YouTube within Google. Don't know why you do that. Just bang it in there as well. No? Yeah, I don't know. But look how snappy it is, huh? Super, super snappy. Now let me just jump into the actual screen settings. So here we go. We can actually change it from the dark mode, from light mode to dark mode. I prefer dark mode, but for this purpose of this video, I'm going to keep it on light because it looks a lot better on camera, I believe. Where it's in dark mode, you can kind of see everything like, hello. So we'll just keep it on light mode for now. You can have adaptive brightness on or turn it off. So if you put it here, it's not going to change. But if you put it on, it's going to go straight back up to the top. You've got motion smoothness. This is where it goes from 120 Hz all the way down to 10 Hz. Or you can have standard 60 Hz. It's entirely up to you. But you can also change the screen resolution. So out of the box, they've gone with Full HD again. But let's tap this bad boy, click apply. Yep. Now, go back up. We've still got 120 Hz, but at 1440p. Yes, happy bloody days. Anyway, I'm not going to keep you around. If there's anything specific you want to know about this, any aspects of it you want a video on, let me know in a comment down below. This is the 16GB model with 512 GB of internal storage, and it's the Exynos model as well. It's not the Snapdragon, it's the Exynos model. So if there's anything you want to know specifically about this one, let me know in a comment down below. Anyway, I'm going to show you my grubber little back of it there. I thought it wasn't going to be as bad for look, but look, it's kind of pretty easy to kind of smudge up. Not a massive fan of that. Hey ho, not much I could do about it. Anyway, people, thank you for watching. If you have any questions with regards to this, anything else, if you want to know my shoe size, hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Go on, smash, smash, smash. You know you want to. And subscribe. Why? Because it's free. Honestly. Does it cost you a penny, nickel or a dime? Yeah. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching. And you'll see me. Well, you might not see me, but you'll definitely see these little puppies and hear this voice in my next video. Cheers, everyone.